Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is ergonomical measures. As we know, ergonomical measures reduce the impact of raindrops through the covering of soil surface and increase the infiltration rate and water absorption capacity of the soil. Okay, which result in reduce the runoff and soil through erosion. So what is contour farming? Contour farming is nothing. It's just a practice of tilling slope land along lines of consist evaluation in order to conserve rainwater and to reduce soil losses from erosion. Okay, it helps in conservation of moisture, reduce erosion by reducing runoff and furrow between the ridges developed by contour tillage operation catch and hold the water, thereby checking the high water velocity. This figure shows the contour farming. As we can see here, there are many slopes which is control the soil erosion. Okay. Benefit of contour farming. The benefit of contour farming is that it prevents soil erosion when it rains. Traditional farming method that cultivate along straight, long, level slope parallel to the flow of water speed up to erosion. Since all the water goes downhill in a single direction. Okay, control farming can reduce the soil erosion up to 50% as compared to farming up and down hills. It improves the water conservation also means offered more even water distribution of irrigation that the water is more evenly distributed between the furrow follow when the flow across the slope in nearly levels furrow as result in moisture conservation. Boost nutrients is the third benefit of contour farming. It conserves the water. Less water is lost below the root zone at the head of runs when the full length of furrow is provided with the water shortly after irrigation starts. Okay, increase the result. Reducing runoff, soil erosion and increase the fertility as result in an increase in a crop yield means the slope between the 20 and 10% in precipitation under 200 mm per year that increase the yield by margins of up to 50%. Okay, as a result in more uniform crop stand higher yield and high quality crop. Crop rotation and its benefit means in this the crop rotation is the practice of growing a series of different types of crop in some areas across a sequence of growing season. In a secondary, it reduces the reliance on one set of nutrient pests and weeds pressure and the probability of developing resistant pests and weeds. Okay, these are the advantage of crop rotation means the first advantage is that increase the soil fertility, increase crop yield, increase soil nutrient and reduce the soil erosion limits concentration of pest and disease and reduce the stress of weeds, improve the soil structure and lastly reduce the pollution. These are the benefit of strip farming. Okay, in a strip farming what we do means it's a practice of growing field crop in a strip usually following the natural contour of drain to prevent water erosion of a soil and involve the planting crop in a strip across the slope with the alternate strip of grain or a further crops. This the benefit of this means it the main benefit of this is reduce soil erosion from water or wind, reduce rate of soil erosion and runoff velocity, increase infiltration rate, reduce transport of sediments, and protect growing crop from damage of wind-prone soil practice and improve the water quality. Second topic is that means mulching. What is the mulching? Mulching is nothing. It's covering the open surface of a ground by a layer of soil external material which protect the soil, okay, and reduce the soil erosion. The material used for mulching covering is called a mulch. Okay, it is usually practiced by when cultivating commercial important crop, fruit trees, vegetable, flower, nurseries, clipping, etc. The benefit of this suppress the growth of weeds, evaporation is reduced, help to maintain humidity, prevent soil erosion, control weeds, add nutrients to the soil. Okay. There are different types of mulch material means like organic material is like that leaves, grass, chips, peas, moss, wood chips, bark chips, straw mulch, pine needles. Okay. There are many types. There are two types of mulching: non-living and living. In a living, cover crops. In a non-living means organic and inorganic. Thank you so much.